Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet. And on this side, you have the power button for your rear cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath the rugged cargo floor, you have your full-size spare with some extra room for equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial leather and cloth interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a USB, USB-C, and 110-volt power outlet there. Backs of the seats also have zippered pouches and MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat and mirrors, I believe, as well as having a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing, fuel economy, and then you can also go into further settings and information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start stop shut off, and hazards, as well as a little tray area. Then you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Below that, you have this tray area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and a wireless charging pad so you can throw your phone on there. You've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.